Hello everyone, this is simple baby dress. Now I have two pieces for the upper part of the dress. Now I have the width to be 14 inches and the length 8 inches. It actually depends on the measurement you're working with, okay? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to mark the half of the shoulder line, which is 5.5 inch, then the armhole 5.5 inch. Then after this, I'm going to connect to the upper part, as you can see me doing right there. Then I measure the bust, which is the half, 1/4 of the bust plus 0.5 inch for the seam allowance. So the down part, I will be reducing just 0.5 from it to give me that shape, and that is what I'm doing right here. You can see that shape's a bit slant. So after this, I go ahead to the neckline and mark the neckline width, which is 2.5 inch. Then the back neck depth 2 inch and the front neck depth 3 inch right there, and that is what I'm trying to connect to the shoulder line. So the next thing is to connect the shoulder line. So after this, I'm going to go ahead and cut. As you can see me doing, I'm cutting, tracing the line which I've marked on the fabric, okay? The back piece first, the back neckline first, and of course I will be cutting the shoulder, both back and front. So the next thing, after removing the back piece, I'm going to shape the front piece. The armhole, I came in by 0.5 inch, and of course the depth of the front piece, which is 3 inches, and that is what I'm doing right here. So right now the upper part is ready. See both the front and the back piece. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to go to the down part of this dress. I have the width to be 35 inches while the length 15 inches, okay? So after this, the next thing I will be doing is to make a small piece, small pleats across the upper part, the line, the border line. So the next thing, I'm going to just make a little cut for the back piece, okay? So it's going to ease the wearing of this dress. So after this, you can see what I've done is just to make it neat. So I'm going to sew. I sew what I have at that piece to what I've made, the cut I've made at the back piece. So after this, I sew again just to make it firm. So the next thing is to attach the back piece to the front piece, stitching the shoulder line. After this is to go ahead and work on the armhole. Now I have the stripe width 1.5 inch, then the length is going to be the length of the armhole, okay, the round neck. So after this is to go and stitch. As you can see, I'm done stitching, I'm done sewing. So the next thing is just to make small cuts across the armhole. This will ease the folding at the time. By the time I fold it inward to give me that perfect look. This aspect must not be ignored. It's very, very important, okay? So the next thing is to close it up. So as you can see, this is the output, very neat. So the next thing is go ahead and work on the neckline. So after working on the neckline, I'm going to sew the down part to the upper part of this dress, both front piece and back piece. So here is it. Now I'm going to go ahead right now to sew the two sides one after the other. Then our dress is almost ready. You can see it's very simple and very easy. It's a simple dress but very easy, and very easy rather. So here is it. So right now I can now go ahead. See, it's done. As simple as that. So I want to believe that you have learned something in this video. Please go ahead and try yours. Keep on watching our videos, keep on sharing our videos, and if you're new on this channel, here is an avenue for you to join this great family by clicking on the subscribe button below, and you hit on the notification bell, and you make sure your notification bell is always on. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.